How to do this task in HTML. So the given table is the customer name, account number, gender, languages known, select the city, and it is having a two buttons, submit and reset. సో ఈ టాస్క్ని మనము హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ ద్వారా ఎలా డిస్ప్లే అనేటువంటిది చేస్తాం. సో ఇందులో ఒక టేబుల్ అనేటువంటిది ఉంది, ఇందులో ఒక ఫామ్ ఉంది, ఫామ్లో మనకి ఇన్పుట్ ట్యాగ్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. సో వీటిని మనము ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో అంటే ఈ వీడియోలో మనందరము కలిసి చేస్తున్నాము. సో మీ అందరితో పాటు నేను కూడా చేస్తున్నాను అన్నమాట. సో మరి ఇక ఈ యొక్క టాస్క్ అనేటువంటిది చేసేందుకు మనం అనేటువంటిది విఎస్ కోడ్లోకి జంప్ అవుతున్నాం. సో ఫస్ట్ విఎస్ కోడ్ అనేటువంటిది మనం చూసుకున్నట్లయితే HTML will be containing the head. You can see it on the screen and the body. You can see. So in the head I have written nested table form and inside it is containing as an input. Okay, so this is what I have given. And in the previous session లో మనము టేబుల్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం అన్నమాట. ఎవరైతే ఈ వీడియోలోకి వస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ఆ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోని రిఫర్ చేసి వచ్చినట్లయితే యూ విల్ గెట్ మోర్ బెనిఫిటెడ్. And now if I go to the body, you can see the background color I have given light yellow and the text color is blue, and this entire alignment is center. You can see this one as a center. I have given h1 tag as a user details, and form is the tag, action is nothing, method is equal to post. Method it is having as a get and post, and we are using the post. And you can see the table with the border, width and height I have mentioned, which is having the 6 rows. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, each one having a 2 columns I have mentioned over here. Okay, so this is the thing we have taken as a skeleton from the previous exercise. గత ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నుంచి మనము ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది తీసుకున్నాం అన్నమాట. మరి ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రన్ అవుతుందా లేదా అని తెలుసుకోవాలని అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి అనేటువంటిది వెళ్ళి మనం రన్ చేసినట్లయితే ఫామ్ ఇన్పుట్ డాట్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ అనమాట. యూ కెన్ సి యూజర్ డీటెయిల్ 1,1 1,2 2,1 2 mean 2 row first column, 2,2 mean 2 second row and second column, like that we need to fill this detail. So here the customer name we need to print, here we need to print account number, here we need to print gender, here we need to see the known languages or languages spoken, and select the location, and here we need to give the submit, and here it is a reset, and the field input forms we need to give it over here based on the type of the data. So now let us move here and fill this one. The first 1.1 I try to, because it is an so I mention as a h3. Okay, now you can see h3 I am putting, and after that one, okay, so h3 tag is formed. Now you can give it as a username. Okay, username I have given, and here I am entering over here and putting as input. You can see input, then space, you can give it as greater and enter. This input type as a text, but name is equal to we try to give it as a user. This is the one thing. And now Control S and come over here and run here. So this is the username, and here you can enter, but we need to mention the size, how many characters it can take. So base is equal to 40. Now you can save this one and come over here and see it will try to take it as a 40 characters max, like that. Now I am moving over here to the second row, and similarly I am mentioning as h3. We can see the h3 Here is account number. Now I am coming over here. Can input, small letters, input. Okay, but here a type is a number, and name is, you can give it as account because it's account number. Now let us refresh this one, save and refresh, and you can see it's an account number. And third one is the, we try to fill, that is nothing but the h3 tag. Okay, so here gender, here we try to give it as a radio button. We can use the input tag, input. Okay, here it is called as a radio button, a radio. Okay, and here we need to mention like a value is equal to male, and this is a male. You can give the br tag, and you can expand this one, copy paste of this one, and here it is called female, and here you can mention it is a female. Okay, and value is equal to, and name, here you can mention name is equal to gender, and if you want it should be default, you can mention as a checked, and name gender, because it was there here, it will male and female, it will try to come here. Now save this one, and you can refresh this one. You can see the male and female, it is there, gender. Now fourth one, you can come languages known. We try to use with h3, and you can see h3, that is called as languages known, colon, and here if you come here and use, this is called as an input tag. So input, okay, and so here you can use the checkbox, okay, and what are the languages, that's a value is equal to English. Similar to that one, we need to write English. Okay, and here enter, and we try to take this one like a br tag, copy paste, and checkbox Telugu, and here also you can use Telugu, and copy paste of this one, you can use Hindi, and like this you can add the things. Now let us move and see. So English, Telugu, Hindi, languages known. So it is you can select any one of this one. Default, if you want to check, checked. So like this you can. Now let us refresh and see. So English is checked, mail is checked. Okay, now let us complete two more rows, fifth row and sixth row. Fifth row is nothing but as an location. Select your location. H3 tag I'm applying. Okay, select location, your staying location. Okay, so this is the one, but here we are using not the input, select tag. Select tag, name and ID it is, and now you can mention the location. ID we are not interested as of now. So here in this select tag, okay, we have to tell with option, option option. So we try to mention the location. So location Hyderabad, and here also we try to give the same thing. Now take this one and enter the remaining metro cities, Delhi, and copy paste here, and take this one, Mumbai, and you can copy paste this one over here. Next take this one, Bangalore, okay, like this you can add the information. Now let us see the output how it is coming. So now you can select this one from the select the location. Now we need to go to the last row. So this is nothing but as an input. Okay, so it is submit button, submit. Okay, so here submit. Now you can write to the here, it's called it as an submit. Now let us execute this one. Okay, submit, type, and here value we can, value is equal to submit. See, submit. Now you take this one, copy paste onto the next, and it is reset. You can see it over here and write clear here. Okay, now let us see this one. Okay, now so username Alex. Now account number is this one, I am putting 76 something, mail English Hyderabad, and you can see submit. So this will be going. Now I am mentioning Alex and this one mail, and if I clear this one, you can see this data is removing. So now if I mentioned this method as default, it is called as a get. Okay, now let us save it and run, continue. So here if I mentioned these things, submit, see here it after this one question mark, user is equal to Alex, account number, gender, location. So this information, each parameter it will be concatenated with ampersand signal, and parameter is equal to value. So we don't want to disclose that information, so we try to use post. That is the difference between the get and post. Post will not give all this information over here, but it can send to the server. So if you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.